Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello and welcome to this video solution of numeric. Here we have the mass of a car as capital M, and there is a block having mass small m, and that small m mass is actually fixed to a spring having constant k, and which is actually connected to the car. And initially both the car and the block are at rest, and the spring is stretched through a length of x naught when the system is released. Now you have to calculate the amplitude of simple harmonic motion of the block and the car as seen from the road. Right. So first of all, we have let me consider the amplitude of oscillation of the small mass is x1, and that of the capital mass m will be x2. So first of all, we apply the law of conservation of momentum. Here we have m x1 will be equal to m x2, right? Because only internal forces are present. And next we have the expression of spring energy, which is x naught square, will be equal to half k x1 plus x2 whole square, right? From this we can get x naught equal to x1 plus x2, right? Now if you plug in the value of let's say x2 from here, that is x2 equal to m1 x1 by, okay, so this is capital M, right? Over capital M. So we put in the value of x2 here. So we have x1 plus, here we have m x1 by capital M, right? Thus we have x naught equal to m plus small m over capital M x1, right? Now similarly we have x2 will equal to x naught minus x1. This is equal, that is given by, if you put in the value of x1 here, then you will get m x naught by m plus m, right? Thus we have the two amplitude. One we have x2 here, and x1 can be x1 can be written from here itself. So let me write down. So x1 equal to capital M x naught over m plus m, right? So we have got the two amplitudes, right? This is part A. There is a second part to it. Here the part B, we have to calculate the time period of motion, right? So for this, we need to calculate the equivalent mass of the system. So M equivalent. For such a system, the equivalent mass is given as mm by m plus m, right? Thus we can say the time period is equal to 2 pi root over of m equivalent, and the spring constant is k, right? So here we have 2 pi root over of m over k times m plus m. I hope the solution is clear to you, and have a very good rest of the day. Thank you.